Have you ever felt like your schedule is just too packed for a workout? How often have you said to yourself, "I'll exercise later," but later never seems to come? Well, what if I told you that fitting in exercise doesn't have to mean spending an hour at the gym or dedicating long periods of time to sweat it out? This brings me to the concept of exercise snacking. And no, I'm not talking about grabbing a protein bar. Exercise snacking is the idea of breaking up physical activity into smaller, more manageable snacks of movement throughout the day, rather than completing a full workout all at once. Each exercise snack typically lasts 5 to 10 minutes and can be as simple as a brisk walk, squats, push-ups, or even stair climbing. It's like nibbling on fitness throughout your day. The key is consistency. By incorporating these bite-sized bursts of activity into your routine, you're accumulating exercise in a way that fits seamlessly into your life, even when you're at your busiest. Let's now talk about why this approach is gaining attention. 1. Convenience. One of the most significant benefits of exercise snacking is that it's incredibly flexible. You don't need to set aside a specific block of time to head to the gym or even change into workout clothes. You can perform an exercise snack during a break from work, while waiting for your coffee to brew, or between errands. 2. Reduce sedentary time. Modern lifestyles often involve sitting for long periods, whether at desks, in cars, or in front of screens. Studies have shown that even if you exercise for an hour a day, long bouts of inactivity can still negatively impact your health. But with exercise snacking, you're breaking up those long periods of sitting with movement, reducing the health risks associated with a sedentary lifestyle. 3. Boosts in metabolism and energy. Every time you engage in a brief burst of activity, you're giving your metabolism a nudge. These short, frequent bursts of movement can elevate your heart rate and increase energy expenditure, potentially contributing to weight management or fat loss over time. Plus, many people report feeling more energized after an exercise snack, much like you might after a short walk in the fresh air. For heart health, a study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that breaking up exercise into short sessions can improve cardiovascular health. The researchers observed that individuals who climbed stairs for short bursts multiple times a day saw improvements in their heart health, similar to those who performed longer workouts. Of course, while exercise snacking has many benefits, it's essential to look at the downsides too. 1. Limited intensity. One of the potential downsides is that exercise snacking may not allow for the same intensity level that you'd achieve during a longer, focused workout. For instance, if your goal is to build muscle or significantly improve endurance, these quick workouts may not be enough to stimulate the body as effectively as a full session of strength training or high-intensity interval training, HIIT. 2. Lack of structure. For those who thrive on routine and structure, exercise snacking might feel too unorganized. Without a plan or progression, it could become easy to skip sessions or forget to challenge yourself, resulting in slower progress toward fitness goals. 3. Mentality shift. Exercise snacking requires a mindset shift. Some people might not feel like they're truly exercising unless they're drenched in sweat after a 45-minute workout. This mindset can limit how effective exercise snacking feels and can sometimes lead to underestimating its impact. Now, let's dive into some of the science. Several studies have supported the effectiveness of breaking up exercise into smaller intervals. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Physiology found that performing short, frequent bouts of walking throughout the day can be just as effective for improving metabolic health as longer, continuous bouts of exercise. Participants who engaged in 3 10-minute walks after meals had better blood sugar control compared to those who exercised for 30 minutes straight once a day. In another study from the Journal of Applied Physiology, researchers found that participants who spread their exercise across the day in short bursts had improved overall fitness levels compared to those who only exercised in a single, longer session. These findings suggest that exercise snacking can yield meaningful health benefits, especially for individuals looking to improve heart health, manage weight, or maintain metabolic function. So, who exactly is this for? Busy professionals. If you're juggling work, family, and other responsibilities, and finding 60 uninterrupted minutes seems impossible, exercise snacking is perfect for you. Beginners. If you're new to fitness, short, manageable exercise snacks can be less intimidating than jumping into longer sessions. It's a great way to ease into physical activity without overwhelming yourself. Sedentary workers. If your job involves sitting for long hours, these short bursts of movement throughout the day can help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting, which has been linked to various health issues like obesity and heart disease. Older adults, for seniors or individuals with mobility issues, exercise snacking offers a way to stay active without placing too much strain on the body all at once. Gentle, frequent movements can help with mobility, balance, and strength over time. In conclusion, exercise snacking is a powerful tool for anyone who feels that time, motivation, or physical constraints are barriers to regular exercise. While it may not replace a more intense or structured fitness regimen for everyone, it offers a flexible, accessible way to stay active and improve health. Whether you're a busy professional, a beginner, or simply looking to reduce your sedentary time, exercise snacking allows you to incorporate movement into your life in a way that's manageable and sustainable. So, the next time you find yourself saying, "I don't have time to work out," think again. All it takes is a few minutes here and there, and you'll be on your way to better health, one snack at a time. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button if you want to see more content like this. And remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll catch you in the next video.